Hello, my name is David, and I am going to show you how we use the Spectrum Compact here at SAF. So usually when the customer orders a link, they send us configuration information. Once the link is set up and all the information is entered, we then have to measure to make sure that what the customer asks for is actually what they're getting. So at this point now, I take the customer's information and I enter in the frequency that they ask for to make sure that the information is passing through. And now at this point, we go to the project, and what you're seeing here is that it's simulating the antennas on both sides of the link. So what I'm going to do is remove the one side that's transmitting and measure it. So now that it's connected, I'm looking to see and make sure that the frequency is clean and is also pushing out at the TX power that they requested. And this one looks good. So now I'm going to save it, and it'll save it to the device, which I can later on take off and add to a report. Now, this is the same process that we use with everything, whether you order 100 links or one. We do this to show the quality and make sure that everything the customer asks for is there.